point where I was paralyzed on my whole left side, unable to tie my own shoes or take a shower or unbutton my pants.
Took my son, went down those big sliding boards, has those how you doing, those whoop-de-woos, took off like a rocket, down across the mat, bang, right into the wall. And I think that's when the discs pop up.
There were some days I would wake up and I couldn't walk because the pain in my feet was so bad from the nerve compression.
I started having back pain, mostly leg pain, related to a herniated disc, around the time when I was deployed in Afghanistan.
Son Darren got messed up on a motorcycle accident in Baltimore, Maryland. So they worked on his back and messed his back up.
Searching doctors, guys put a Band-Aid on the injury, other ones give you a pill.
I saw 2 physicians in my family practice and my chiropractor. They spent considerable time, but the diagnosis was wrong.
I had severe pain that came down my neck, into my shoulder, my elbow, into my fingers. It was like the worst pain I'd ever had in my entire life.
The main thing was this burning pain, feeling like someone was ripping my nerve out of my leg.
I was able to get out of the shower and was kind of standing there panicking, thinking, what do I do now? And I picked up the phone and I actually called Dr. Kirshner's office. I had worked with Dr. Kirshner for several years in the operating room and knew that he was the one I wanted to talk to and he was the one I had to see.
So there were only a handful of people that I would trust to take this on, given my profession, and Steve was at the top of the list.
Dr. Kirshner is very caring.
Great bedside manner, and he can really discern cases that need surgery and cases that do not.
And when I went there, that's exactly what he did.
And he's like, listen, this is what you need.
And very honest.
Explained everything to me. This is why it hurts. This is what's going on. He's like, let's fix it.
He answered all of my questions and concerns.
He listens to you.
He is calming.
You never ever feel rushed.
Compassionate.
Dr. Kirshner showed me how to pack the wound, pull it out.
Caring.
Uplifting.
Dr. Kirshner taught me everything.
You are special to him.
He was like a family member to us.
He actually will converse with you and treat you like a person.
Takes the person through the levels of care that it would take to get them better as quickly and as efficiently as possible, and will only do a surgical procedure when it's absolutely necessary.
His patients did well after surgery and had a lot of good results.
While I was waking up, my pain was absolutely gone.
I stayed 23 hours in the hospital, went home the next day, and within 3 weeks was back to work.
In the course of literally 14 hours, I was back to normal. I was pain-free, mentally healed. I was physically capable of doing what I wanted to do, what I couldn't do.
And it's been 12 years, and I lead a very active and productive life.
Dr. Kirshner was able to diagnose the problem correctly, change my physical therapy.
And now, I am more active than I've probably ever been able to be.
After the surgery, I mean, it was like a light switch had flipped. I didn't have the pain anymore driving down my leg.
I've had no recurrence. Everything is fine. I have no limitations whatsoever.
I was back in the operating room seeing patients 2 weeks after the surgery.
I walked out of it. I mean, I was walking just like that.
We just love him.
I don't think I could have lived with that, with all this pain and everything.
He really gave me my life back and my future back.
Gave me back my life, my wife, my kids.
It was the best thing I ever did.